Welcome to Soft Asia. Today we will study switch statement. The switch statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. Use the switch statement to select one of many blocks of code to be executed. This is syntax of switch statement. First we have single expression and that is evaluated once. The value of expression is compared with the values for each case in structure. If there is match, the block of code associated with that code is executed. Use break to prevent the code from running into the next case automatically. The default statement is used if no match is found. Here is the example. We have variable favorite color. Now we will compare the value of variable with each case. If there is a match in any of these cases, that will be executed. As you can see, value is red and our first case is matching with value, so this will be our output. Here it is. Your favorite color is red. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.